Hey there and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make these 3 different kind of hairpins. One is out of a button, or 2 buttons in fact. One is a plastic pearl, and another one is just a plastic bead. Sometimes it's just nice to have something different to put into your hair when you do updos or styles. These type of pins are just pinned in with bobby pins, using any color or beads that you like. So here's how I make them. Using any kind of craft wire, I picked this one up at Michael's. It's a 26 gauge wire. It's flexible enough to twist and move around, taking about 4 to 5 inches depending on how long you want your hairpin to be. First off, we're going to be making one with a pearl. You can use a real pearl with a hole drilled into it, or a plastic pearl. You just want to slide the wire through the hole, bend it together, and twist it right by the pearl. Next, you want to take about 1 inch at the end and bend it over. Using needle nose pliers, pinch the end but leave the loop, wrapping the remaining wire around the end that you just bent. And there you go. You made your very own hairpin. You can make as many as you want for your updos and hairstyles. Next, I'll show you how I make them with buttons, just by using the same process. Poking your wire through both holes. Next, I'll be using a pink bead. You can measure each of your wires beforehand if you want all of your hairpins to be the same length. Here's another helpful tip. Once you wind your wire around and you find that there's a little bit of wire sticking out that can be sharp and poke, you want to trim it off with wire cutters. making as many as you want to stick into your updos or hairstyles. These pearls were stuck together. You can also put different beads together if you like. It's nice to have something different for your hair, or if you like being crafty, or also on a budget. So with the buttons, if you want to give it a little extra bling, just using a sticky dot, along with a glue gun or any permanent type of glue to attach your extra bling. If you'd like any more helpful tips, check out my playlists on my channel. I have a lot more crafting videos coming soon. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for all new videos. Thanks for watching.